Welcome to this MS Excel tutorial. We will prepare a sample class students half-yearly report and understand how to use various tools, ticks and shortcuts in MS Excel to save our time. Now our raw data has been prepared. Let us now do some editing. Now let us find total marks of students. The simple way is to apply equals and then select the first cell to add and then apply plus sign and then second cell and then also apply plus sign and continue this process till all cells we want to add have been selected and then press enter. But this process is quite lengthy. So let us apply some formula. In some formula we have to write some bracket open and then select the first cell and then by pressing shift key we can select the series we want to add up and then close the bracket, press enter and Excel's adds up quickly. When we put mouse at end of cell the plus sign appear. If we drag down the plus sign it will apply the formula in all those cells selected. Let us sort our data alphabetically. Now let us add serial number to our data. We have to write serial number sequence in two cells and then use plus sign to expand the series and Excel autofills in order we had written in first two cells. Let us see what is conditional formatting. Suppose we want to highlight the marks of students below 45 in our data. We will use conditional formatting and choose less than option and there write 45. Click OK and then all the marks less 45 will be colored light red. We can also change this color as per our need. Now let us see how to take out average in Excel. To take out average of student marks we need to write equals average and then select all the subject and then press enter. Let us add border lines in Excel. From here we can add borders. Let's see the print preview of this sheet and see how the border we added looks like. This is the print preview of our sheet. We can see that the borders we added are shown here. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon and tick on send me all notification. Thanks for watching this video. Namaskar.